Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this I'll showing how to import from China to Nigeria. I'm showing a new method that you guys haven't been into. So if this is your first time watching my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. And please can please make sure you watch this video today because I'll be sharing more detailed information that you guys need to know about importing from China to Nigeria. So let's move on guys. So we have five steps that you guys must know. The first one is choose a reliable supplier, and the second one is select a shipping method. Third one, engage in a freight forwarder, and fourth one, prepare customs documentation, and fifth one, not last, on the list, track and receive your goods. So for the first one, like I said, choose a reliable supplier. First thing you have to do is you make sure that you research and select trusted suppliers from platforms like Alibaba or State It. And we have different platform like that you can also make use of like Konga, Jumia and stuff like that. So there are some reliable suppliers that you too can reach out there. So because it's not even that I'll mention here. So make sure you always verify their credibility by checking reviews, ratings, and certification to ensure quality and reliability. Because these are things that you make sure that you need to take note of. Because if you just try to take any reliable, like just choosing random reliable suppliers or stuff like that, and you notice that they are not good like delivering goods on time, then that means you are not giving your customer what they really need because they'll be very disappointed in you that you are not delivering the goods at the right time. So make sure you always check their reviews, ratings and solution that will make sure to ensure that the quality of their business is very good. The second one is select a shipping method. Yeah. Decide between maybe air freight, quick but more expensive. Yeah, because shipping by air is very fast, but it is very expensive. But if you have the money, you can make use of shipping by air. But the second one is sea freight because cost effective but slower. Yeah, it's very low but very slow to reach your heart. And it might take like 10 days sometimes. For small packages, service like DHL or feeders are faster and more convenient. So you can make use of DHL or feeders. They're very fast and convenient to reach. So the third one there is engage a freight forwarder. Yeah. A freight forwarder can help you with the logistics. What's a freight forwarder? Like shipping by sea. So that's what it means. So ensuring smooth handling of your shipments from China to Nigeria. You also take care of shipping documentation and customs process. You don't need to engage in anything like custom duties like you be start paying your store. Like no, if we do want to sort everything out. So that's another one. The fourth one is prepare custom documentation. Vehicle custom documentation just like to ensure that all necessary documents such as invoice, parking list, and certificates are ready for Nigerian customs clearance. This helps avoid delays and penalties. Yeah. Always make sure you already prepare your custom documentation like stuff like that because invoice of the goods you bought that they help you to ship from China to Nigeria. Because if you don't have those invoice or receipt with you, they will start charging that maybe you are trying to smuggle some things from another country to Nigeria. So do you get so always make sure you show them the proof of what you bought. So that's another way that you can prepare in case you get any notice that they are trying to delay your goods when it reaches Nigeria, when it is Nigeria. So always make sure you prepare custom documentation. So the last one is make sure that you track and receive your goods. Whenever your goods reach Nigeria, like maybe from China just reaches Nigeria, then make sure that you always track your goods before. Maybe let's say you are staying from your goods just land now. Maybe they are going to ship your goods from the port to Lagos. So always sure that you track your goods like how use the tracking information provided by the shipping company to monitor the shipment progress and ensure payment of any custom fees for timely delivery in Nigeria. So that's all you need to know. So if you did enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel and like it and share my video. Good day everyone. Thanks for watching.